Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. I've made some really cute paper layer embellishments a couple of days ago. I just wanted to keep some on hand for my projects and have them ready to just place them on, and then they're ready to go. I love making embellishments. I just like the way they always turn out at the end. I don't even use coordinating papers, just any scraps or papers that I have lying around. I'm just putting them together, and they always turn out quite nice. Again, I just layered them. I did use my circle shape punches to make these embellishments. I just think they turn out really cute, and it's really easy to make. And this one here, I used also a flower punch to make the center, and just a little gold flat back just to finish that. And this is one of my word sentiments. So that turned out really cute. And they don't take very long to make because you don't need a lot of papers. You don't need to overthink too much of what to add onto the embellishments. Just a few different shaped circles and layer them, and then just a little center to finish it off, and a word sentiment. And just use your scraps. And this is another one. I've got here some gold, like a gold thread that I just placed at the back of one of the papers, and it's this one here. It's it has a little bit of like a stiffness to it, which is great, because then you can just wind it around, and then you can then just glue it to your papers. I'll put the link down below of where I purchased the thread from, in case you're wanting to know where I purchased that. And I had also some of you asking me what kind of glue I used for my embellishments and what I hid my paper with on my projects. So I just want to show you guys the glue. It's this one here. It's by Crafter's Choice. It's a company that stocks in one of our craft store here in Sydney, Australia, called Spotlight. So that's where I purchased the glue, but I'll put the link down below for you to our Spotlight store. They are the only ones that stock this particular glue, and I do buy the larger size, and then what I do is I just pour it onto a smaller tube. It is such a great glue. You probably see me use this glue all the time. It bonds really strong onto fabric, paper, leather, plastic, glass. It dries clear. It doesn't warp your paper or leave any lumps or bumps. And it's just a really, really great glue to use, and it does go a long way. But they do come in different sizes, but I do like getting the larger one. So just for those that wanting to know, this is the glue. But you can use any kind of liquid glue, just as long as it bonds really well, I guess, and that you can adhere paper with. So that's thought I'd just mention that to you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and make one more of these and just show you how easy and quickly it is you can make these really fun embellishments just using some circle shapes. I've also put some kits together if you like to make these embellishments with the papers that I put in the kit. I'll show you at the end of my process to make these what you get in the kit as well. That'll be listed in my store. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make these. So all I've got are just 4 different shape circles. If you only have 2 shape circles, or you can also use ovals, you can use any shape. You don't have to use a circle, but I'm going to use these 4 different sizes, and I'm going to just lay them on top of one another. I'm using some foam pop dots as well, just to add a bit of dimension to the embellishment. And I have these this flower here that I've made myself. They are available in my store as well if you wanted to purchase them as well. They're a pack of 12 pieces. You get a random prints on the flowers, and you get 6 with the silver centers and 6 with the gold centers in the middle. So they're ready for you to use in your projects as well. So You get 4 pieces in the pack. But I'm going to go ahead now. So again, I'm just going to use my glue as well. All I do here is grab the next piece, which is this one here. I'm just going to place 2 foam dots on the back. So if you decide to purchase the kit, you will get the foam dots as well. So you can come back to this video if you wanted to see how to put it together again, if you wanted to make it the same as the way I've put mine together. And then you just lay that on the top. And if you wanted to make it with the thread, you put the thread on first onto your paper and adhere some glue to that, and then you place your next layer on top. So that's that part done. And then I'm going to grab one of my word sentiments, and then I'm just going to trim off the end of it, just so I don't have too much excess paper. So I just do that and then just trim a little bit on the top, as straight as I can, just a bit down here. And then you'll get this little piece in your kit as well. I'm just going to glue this to the little paper. And I'm just going to trim it down because I don't need all of that extra paper on the word. So I've just done that, and I'm just going to corner around one side of the corner here, just to make it a little bit more decorative. So that bit's done, and that's going to get attached to the side here. You don't have to put your word sentiment here. You can place it anywhere you like, but I'm going to place mine there just like I've done with these other ones. And before I do that, I'm going to place some glue to the back of the next circle. And then I'm going to just place the edge of the circle just to the end of that word sentiment, just like that. Then I'm going to layer it on the top and placing the circle piece in the center. Once I'm happy with that, then I can then just go ahead and just press it all down. So that's just about done. And then I'm going to grab the little gold glitter circle and put a foam dot onto the back of that one, just to raise it up a little bit. And I'm going to place that in the middle as well. And then finally the little flower embellishment as the center. And that pretty much completes your little embellishment. I'm just going to place that there and let that set. And that's all there is to the embellishment. So easy, really quick to make, and you can make a whole heap of these in no time. And then you can have them ready. You can place them on like a plain tag, and then all you do is just adhere it to your tag, and it's ready, already decorated. You can also add some more papers to the back if you like, and then place your embellishment to the front. So as you can see, it doesn't really matter what kind of paper you use. I think they will still look really pretty on any pattern paper that you use. I've got here a just some plain white cardstock, a banner card shape. Again, you could just place it in the middle like that, and that's ready to go. So again, really easy, and they just look so pretty. I love the way they turn out. And this is a card for 3x4 card. Sorry, it's an envelope for 3x4 card. You can also just place that on the front here and decorate the front of the envelope, or you could place it on the back and do that as well. I just think these embellishments are so lovely. I love making embellishments. Oh, and I'll just show you the kit before we go. If you want to purchase the kit, you get to make 3 embellishments. And I'll just grab it without dropping any of the pieces. In the kit, you will get 12 foam dots, so 3 for each of your embellishments, just the same way that I showed you how to make these. You'll get 3 of the circle gold glitter shapes. You'll get a random 3 different print of the scallop circle, which is the base. That's the larger size. A random, so the papers will be random prints, but they will all look pretty when you put them together. So you will be okay when you receive your papers. It just depends where you want to place them. You'll also get 3 of the next size down of the circle scallop shape. You get 3 of just your plain circle as well. 3 of these flower centers that I've made, and you get them in the gold centers. So there's 3 of those. You get the 3 word sentiments, random word sentiments. So you get 3 of those. And I didn't place them. You'll get also 3 of these backing strips for the words sentiment, if you want to use it for that. So you'll also get those, and I think that's all you get in the kit. Yep, so there, all the bits and pieces. You get to make 3 of these. Everything's here for you to make. The only one I didn't put this gold thread, but I'll put the link down below for you if you wanted to use that in your embellishments. But that's the kit. That's also the project that I showed you just before, and I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Bye.